Welcome everyone. Am I audible? Is my screen visible to all the people out there? Am I visible to you guys? Can you guys please confirm? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you for everyone who joined today for this wonderful session. I'm Prabhu Selvaraj. I'll be the host for you guys for the next 2 hours approximately, giving a lot of information to you guys in terms of Indian dropshipping is concerned. Now, before I could start, can I have some small intro from your side? Uh, your name and your city from. Your name and your city, right? I hope my audio is clear, as well as my video is clear, as well as my screen is visible to you guys, right? Wow, we have a lot of people from Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Bihar, Pune, many from Pune, and uh, from Pune. Again, one more gentleman from Pune. Okay, just give me a minute. Let me check it. Okay, so my screen is visible. My audio is clear. My video is clear. Tamil Nadu, please tell your city. Everyone, thank you. Wow, wow, wow. Hyderabad, Tenkasi. And we have from Bangalore. Wow, Hyderabad again. Tirupur, right? And we have a lot of people from Delhi, Trishur. Wow, we have from Kerala as well, Bihar, right? Sanjay is from Bihar, and Hyderabad, one more Hyderabad. Perfect. Lot of names are coming in with the different cities of the country. That's pretty good. That's a beauty of connecting online. We will able to meet the people across the country on an easy note, right? And we have Mallapuram, right? Rinsi from Mallapuram. Okay, different. Which part is it from Tamil Nadu? Looks like, right? Is it Mahabalipuram? I think so. Okay, perfect. Lovely. We have different parts of the country. People have joined it. We have from okay, Kerala, Bangarpet. Okay, Kerala. Perfect. Thank you for the update. And a warm welcome to all the people. One more time. We have from Bangalore. Okay. Today, less people from Bangalore. By the way, I'm from Bangalore, right? Okay. Uh, Chennai, credit risk analyst, Navneetan Silvaraj. Okay, thank you. And let's start the session. Let's not waste too much of time. Let me give you a quick context setup for all of you guys for this specific session. Okay, session is going to be a close to 1.5 to 2 hours. I'm going to cover a major part on Indian dropshipping. So, you might have dreamed about starting your own business. You might have dreamed about having a secondary source of income. This session going to give you a complete clarity of what Indian dropshipping is, whether you should be starting this dropshipping or you should be ignoring it. Point number one. Point number two, you get to the complete investment required for this business. How does this business works? That will be completely covered end to end. I'm going to switch off the comment section in some time from now. For the next 30, 40, maybe an hour of time, I'm going to give you a complete clarity of Indian dropshipping, which involves how do you source the product, how the shipment works, how cash on delivery works, how the payment works, billing works, what are legal complications, what certifications required, what license required, return on return, how to handle returns, how to handle refunds, how to get the payments, how to design your website, how to list your product, how to reach trending products. I'm going to cover end to end. So after covering end to end, I'll also show some live store performances to get you a clarity of how exactly orders works and how does the order flow works, how to get orders to your website, regarding advertisement, everything end to end. So all I need is a complete dedication for the next 1 to 1.5 hours. If possible, make a notes, And if any questions is not been answered, that would be taken up by end of the session as a Q&A. And most importantly, I'm going to give you a direct contact of our team, so that even after this class, if you have any clarification to be done, you can directly book an appointment with us and discuss with us in person regarding your dropshipping business. So it's going to be a one-stop solution for all your questions, queries regarding the secondary source of income and the dropshipping. This can be said by anyone in the industry having about 18 years of age. You can start your Indian dropshipping business. There will be no recordings provided for this session. So please pay attention until end of the session. I'll also give you time a clarity for your Q&A, or you can also start asking questions in the chat window. Even though it is be closed, I'll try to answer wherever it is valid question is possible. So don't just stop, keep quiet, just keep leaving your questions, and most of questions will be covered before end of the session. So that's the entire context set for this session. Now, are you guys with me? If we are good to start, GTG, good to go. Can I have a lot of GTCs out there? Good to go. I want each everyone in the class, just my Guru Dakshana is GTG. So give your Dakshana to a Guru and learn a life skill or a financial skill from me. Are we clear? Can we have good to go? Right? Good to go. Okay? Right? Good to go. Everyone, everyone. That's my fees for today's class. That's my only fees for today's class. Good to go. GTG. I want everyone to give your Guru a Dakshana, which is Guru Dakshana. Then only you'll be able to absorb your entire knowledge end to end. Now, that's the spirit. Good to go. Thank you for your Dakshana. Okay. Thank you for your Dakshana. And I'll make sure that whatever Dakshana I've got from you, I will justify in next 90 minutes. Perfect. Good to go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let's start. Okay. Myself, Prabhu Selvaraj. Myself, Prabhu Selvaraj. I'm the chief mentor at co-founder at couple of companies, which is involves Stock Phoenix, who's into stock market training. I've trained more than 1 lakh people out there since last 10 years. I'm into completely training about stock market. I'm a mentor in stock market. I have mentored more than thousands of people. In my paid membership, I've trained more than 10,000 people. In my free mentorship program, I've trained over 1 lakh people in terms of stock market and financial education. And I hold a company, Phoenix Commodities, Phoenix Harmonics, MF Wallet, Phoenix Technologies, Phoenix Algo Phoenix, and Phoenix Ecom, Phoenix Automation, Phoenix Business Mastery. I hold multiple portfolios, all in terms of mentoring, coaching, and upskill people to their to bring into a bring in their financial status to the next level. That's my quick portfolio. I hope that's sufficient about myself. Let's not waste about it. If you still want to know more about me, just go to Google and search as my name, Prabhu Selvaraj. You get my complete history. Clear? So having said that, let's switch back to our topic, which is Indian dropshipping. I have a small presentation. I have to go with the presentation. You'll have a Q&A by end of the session. So can I have one commitment? You will stay till end of the session. End of the session, because everything is going to be a power packed knowledge, right? You can mention as EOS, EOS, or one thumbs up is also fine. Okay, because I will not hit the chat window right now. I'm going to go to the presentation and concentrate on the delivery part. Perfect. EOS, not TOS, EOS till end of the session, or just one thumbs up is also would do good. Till my data gets over. That's a good one, right? We need a lot of data for today's session. It's going to be a power pack. Perfect. So let's start. Now, before I could start, I hope you guys agree that it's always a business which has enormous amount of profits when compared to a salaried people. If you want to grow faster, farther, business is the only opportunity, right? It doesn't mean I'm degrading the employment. Yes, it is also there. And employment, the opportunity getting bigger is quite low when compared to a business. So most people wants to somewhere they want to have a dream of becoming an entrepreneur, right? That's what my dream since my childhood. I want to do some business on my own, sitting in my own cabin like this, being a boss, being called as a boss from my employees, having a big team. So that dream almost took after joining my corporate, I almost took almost like 10 years. I struggled to start my own business, right? Not struggled, I spent 10 years good amount of time to starting a business, because starting a business, leaving a job was quite risky, right? So why did I start? I'll explain you sometime later. But the main reason is people doesn't want to start their own business. Reason being, with multiple difficulties are there in starting a business. When you talk about traditional business, it's always comes with a big capital, physical location, business registration, inventory, raw materials, human resources, marketing, branding, have an advanced store, design the store, buy the inventory, store the inventory, start shipping, start selling it. But still, there is no guarantee of the success, and your reach of your business will be within that 5 to 25 kilometers radius, nothing more than that. You'll be stuck with this range of 10 to 15 kilometers of range. You cannot have a bigger reach, and there is no guarantee of your business getting into a success mode. Am I right, guys? Am I right? And moreover, you cannot quit the existing business, existing employment, and start a business. You cannot forego the existing stable revenue and start a business. These are the couple of hindrances which is there in the current it was there in the industry for starting your own business. That is why most people stayed in the employment or a job throughout their life, even though they had a dream to start their own business. Now, post which a recent development, something which is came into existence, which is called as e-com business, which involves Flipkart, Amazon, Meesho, and your own setup business. The biggest advantage of this specific business is you are able to capture the crowd of entire India. The reach of your business has gone across India, 150 crore plus population. And you will be able to sell products to the entire location. No need to have a physical store, just like a kirana store, a beauty parlor, or a saloon shop, or a tea shop, whatever it is. Instead of having a physical location, you'll be having a presence online where you can distribute your products across the country. Now, that's the beauty about online business, where people started exploring along with the regular source of income from their salaries. This was pretty good since last 15 to 10 15 years. But lately, what's happening? The lot of competition coming into business. Even the online e-commerce business, you need to have a large capital, not for the store, for the inventory. You have to purchase the inventory. For example, you want to buy sell this product, still you have to purchase this, keep as an inventory at your home, and when the customer orders it, you have to pack this, give it to Amazon, they'll ship it. This process takes a lot of time. Then what people started doing it, Amazon said, why don't you keep your product in my warehouse? I will supply to the customer faster within 12 to 24 hours. Then you have to purchase this in a bulk, then submit to Amazon warehouse, they'll start shipment. Then that becomes an expensive task. And registration, GST is required, inventory is required, marketing, branding, and legal is required. Marketing is the most important thing. If I'm selling this brand of or this specific product of AC remote, if a customer search for AC remote, there'll be 25 people selling similar product with a different brand names. who will get the order? Only those who has an highest rating. Rather than that, who runs an advertisements on Amazon to push your product on the first page. Indian mentality that they should booking the product within the first page, not for 10th page. But that becomes a huge competition. So even though if you have a product, if your marketing doesn't do proper, you will not get the sales. Number two, if this product is getting kept at Amazon warehouse, if there is no sales happening, you have to pay rent for each product every month. So the product what you buy, if it doesn't get sold, that becomes a complete loss for you. You will have end up in losing huge money if you do a wrong strategy of branding and wrong product selection. Now that's comes into picture. People started losing money in online e-commerce module. Right? That's the hard fact in the industry as of now. Then later, the next portion or the next part of booming business came into the industry, which is called as Indian drop shipping. That's the problem in e-com, which is use business, competition, and there is no guarantee of success. Then a rise of Indian dropshipping. What does it mean? It's a business model in India where entrepreneurs sell the products online without keeping any physical inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order on the store like Shopify or other, and the order get forwarded to a supplier and the wholesaler or the manufacturer who then ships the product directly to the customer. The store owners earns the profit from the difference between the selling price and the supplier cost. Now, let's come back. Now, I'm going to explain a life cycle of drop shipping in next 15 minutes, the complete life cycle. Just pay attention. In the drop shipping model, there are three different parties involved. I repeat, three different parties. Party number one, which is a supplier. Party number two, which is we, me, you as a drop shipper. Party number three, which is a consumer. These are the only three parties involved in Indian drop shipping. Now, to make it very practical, I'm going to give you a clear explanation about drop shipping. Okay, so I'm going to open Excel sheet. I'm going to keep it bigger. Okay, so now let's continue. So we have supplier, we have drop shipper, and we have consumer. These three products. Now, step one, or we would say that like a step one, or a rule one, or a work one. Okay, supplier supplies the list of, for example, around 500 products. Okay, products to me. So, which he gonna give in a format of product a B, C, a D, and a E, and goes on. And he will say the cost of product is 74 rupees, 174, okay, 181, 274, 374, 474, and so on. And he will say the shipping cost to the customer is 75 rupees. It is constant across all product. And he will say overall cost of the product, which includes this is the cost. Am I clear? Is it clear? Now supplier will give me the list of products to me directly, stating that I'm having these products with the images and the videos. This is my overall cost to the landing cost to the customer. Okay, let me explain that later. Okay, landing cost. Now, this product list, around 500 products, okay, comes to me to my drop shipper. As a drop shipper, I get these information from the supplier stating that I'm going to get these products to list to you with this price. Now, my work one, or my step one, what I'm going to do is I will design my website. design my website. Okay. For example, let me take a live example. I have designed a website which is called as Phoenix Cart. Okay, I have designed this website which is called as Phoenix Cart. So my step 1 has been completed. Now I've got a list of items of 500 products to me from a supplier. I've taken this 500 product, I've studied the MRP and the cost, so I've designed my website. My step is completed. Step number 2, I will list around 550 products. I don't want to sell all 500, I'll pick up 50. So now as a player, I can list how much ever I want. I can list even 100 or even 500 or even 5,000. I can list my own products also. Okay, I can list my own product as well. Let me make it bigger. Okay, step 2, list 50 products. Now I have listed around here how many products? 60 products I have listed in my website. So he has given me around 5,000 products. Out of 5,000 product, I picked only 60 to get listed in my website. Is it clear so far? Is this information clear so far? Can I have some responses now? I've just opened a chat window. Can I have some yes, YES or single letter yes? Perfect. Step number 2 is completed. Now step number 3. I will decide my own MRP or own selling price. Okay. I will decide my own selling price. So what I've done is I kept selling price. Okay. For this product, 599. This product, 699, 799, 899 and 999. I've kept this as my selling price for these products. Am I clear? I decide my own selling price. Clear so far? So keep on typing yes, 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 so that I get to know that things are very clear for the people. Perfect. Now decide my own selling price. Step number 4. Step number 4. I do marketing to get sales to my website. So now this website, I will start marketing using my social media, using my community, or I will do a digital marketing which is called as performance marketing for my website to get sales or to get customers to my website. Is it clear? We will discuss about how to do marketing in the further slides, but as of now, are we clear on the concept? I design my website, I get customers to my website via digital marketing. Perfect. Now, the third party comes into picture. The third party comes into picture, which is consumer. So what does consumer does? Consumer, step 1, visit my website. Okay. Step 2, places the order. Okay. He visits my website, places an order. Now, once he places an order, order will come in my dashboard. Okay. In my dashboard. And step 6, order will automatically transfer to supplier. So here, no work from me, no work from me. This is I have to do. Okay. I have to do, I have to do, I have to do, and I have to do. Again, this is, let me add, one time invest, one time. Okay. One time, one time, one time. This is every time. Okay. Every day. So my only work is this. Now step 6, no work. And once order transfers, step number 2, supplier. He gets the order. Okay, he gets the order. He packs the order. Step 4, he does the shipment. Step 5, deliver the order. Deliver the order. Collect the payment. Okay. Step 6, transfer payment to dropshipper. Okay. The profit. Okay. Here, my step 7, receive the profit from the supplier. On step 3, customer receives the order and he makes a payment, makes payment. This is the entire process of Indian dropshipping. Now I repeat the entire process. I get a list of products from the supplier. I will list in my website one time. I will list around 500 products. I will decide my own selling price. Then I just do a marketing every day. So as a dropshipper, your work is only to do marketing every day in Facebook, Instagram. Nothing else have to be done. Am I clear? Can I have one thumbs up from everyone? Can I have one thumbs up from everyone? Lovely. Perfect. So now, once sales has been done, the sales will go to supplier. Supplier gets an order. He packs the order. He does the shipment. He transfer to the customer. Collect the payment, transfer the profit to me. In a live example, let's take the same product, the product number 1, which is 149. Now, the supplier says me that I'm giving at 149. I'm selling at the price of 599. Okay, at the price of 599. So my profit is 599 minus 149. Now what happens when the supplier delivers the product? He will collect the payment of 599 from the customer. Okay, and his cost of the product is 149 rupees. Is his cost. So he will take out the 149. He will transfer 450 rupees to my account directly. Am I clear? So once in a week, every Friday, he will transfer the payment to my account directly. Don't have a question that what if he cheat us? This is not a cheating business. It's a proper legal business which is running in India from many years. Are we clear? Are we clear on the payment part? I get payment to my account once in a week. So you need not do anything. All you have to do is get a sales in the website. It automatically transfers to your account in terms of profit. Nothing else happening in this account. You are not going to pack the items, ship the item, call the customer, give the product, collect payment. Nothing you will do. As a drop shipper, my only work is to get sales, get sales, get sales. Nothing else. Is the entire drop shipping concept got clear? We will discuss further things, but have you got the concept clear? As a drop shipper, I don't own any product. Okay, I don't need GST to start my business. Okay, number 6, GST is required only when your sales crosses 20 lakhs. Okay. Number 7, I don't ship or uh, pack any items. Now, number 8, I have luxury to sell even 5 items or 50 items or 500 items. Are we clear on this 8 parts, 8 features of dropshipper? Are we clear? I can even sell 5 items, I can sell 50, I can even sell 500 because I don't need to own any inventory. Is the biggest advantage? Is this a biggest advantage? Yes, perfect. Now let's proceed further. Let's see some practical examples. Okay. Now, this is on the website. I have listed around 50 products in my account. So now let's take some example. Okay, let's take some example. Let me pick any product. Let me give you a detailed explanation how exactly it works. Okay. Now let me also have a question. Which kind of products we should sell in drop shipping? Okay, let me go back to the presentation. So is this slide clear for us now? How drop shipping works, right? And the advantages are low investment risk, no storage, wide range of products, scalable model, work from anywhere, automation friendly, low marketing budget. Now, just a snapshot of one of my store, right? I just made around 6 lakh rupees in just 1.5 month with a delivery percentage of around 80%. And ad statistics. We're going to learn these all things in detail now. Let's come back. So now, once my store is launched, for example, let me take any one specific product, give an example. Now this product, which is automatic toilet cleaning tablet, I found this was one of the problem solving product. For example, what it does, if you put this tablet into your this commode, what happens when you flush it, the water comes with a blue color, it gives you some fragrance and it removes the stain instantly. Is this a good one? Would you like to see this water getting into a blue color when you flush rather than seeing it a normal plain water with the stains? Is it a good product? Guys, yes or no? Quickly. Okay, it's a pretty good product. So now my focus is on explaining this features of this product, explaining features of this product to the customer directly into digital marketing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a digital marketing for the specific item in Facebook and Instagram. Not to miss, the same product is available in Flipkart, Amazon, Meesho at very cheaper price. Okay, at very cheaper price. These items are available in Facebook and Instagram. Not to forget that that is easily available at cheaper price. Now question is, if it is available at cheaper price in Amazon, Instagram and Meesho, why do people buy from your website? Answer is very simple. Still, many Indians are not comfortable in making an online payment or doing online transactions. Point number one. And point number two, Flipkart, Amazon, and Meesho. When compared to Facebook and Instagram is quite famous in India. So people spend more time on Instagram, Facebook when compared to Amazon and Flipkart and Meesho. Let me give a small example. Now, couple of ads running on this particular product. I can just go to Google and I can see
ये
it.
टॉयलेट क्लीनिंग ब्रूइस टेबलेट जापानी हाउसवाइफ्स की पसंद है। हर बार बस एक टैबलेट सीधे टॉयलेट में डालिए और ये तुरंत एक गाढ़ा झाग बना देती है जो यूरिन के दाग और गंदगी को जड़ से हटा देती है। टॉयलेट के बीचों बीच जमा गंदगी भी खुद ब खुद बाहर आ जाती है। सवा 12 यहाँ तक कि टॉयलेट की दरारों और कोनों में जमी गंदगी जहाँ ब्रश नहीं पहुँचता वहाँ तक ये टैबलेट सफाई कर देती।
When you browse Instagram and Facebook, are we clear? This kind of an 30 seconds video feedback or a video will go in your Facebook and Instagram while you are browsing. Are we clear how exactly the marketing works? Guys, please do replay quick and quick. Okay, now one more example. Look at here.
पहले सोचा था इतनी छोटी सी ब्लू बबल टैबलेट क्या फर्क डालेगी, लेकिन फ्लश करते ही लगा टॉयलेट बिल्कुल नया हो गया। हर बार फ्लश से निकलने वाला फ्रेश ब्लू फोम न सिर्फ शाइन लाता है बल्कि बैक्टीरिया भी खत्म करता है। टैंक सेफ है, नो डैमेज, नो बैड स्मेल। सिर्फ एक टैबलेट से पूरे 30 दिन की सफाई में 10 टैबलेट्स फ्री पाओ। अपना टॉयलेट पहले सोचा था इतनी छोटी सी ब्लू बबल टैबलेट क्या फर्क डालेगी, लेकिन
how do we get sales? So I will be running these kind of an advertisements in Facebook and
introducing
Instagram,
Blue Bubble Clean,
where when you're swiping it, it will come. Now, when you swipe, it will come. When you click on order now, it takes you to the website directly. Okay, this specific page will appear in front of you. Now, what is the very highlighting thing over here? Like somebody, can I have some responses? When you come to this web page, what is one thing eye-catching? Yes, it is cash on delivery. So usually what happens as a consumer, I have liked this product. I wanted to use in my washroom, but I cannot trust this website. Whether I will get the product or not, there's no clarity. So people will not order. But when I put a pressure on cash on delivery, that is where the customer thinks, wow, cash on delivery is there. Let me order. If the items comes to my home, let me pay it. Then people starts ordering in this website, right? People starts ordering in these kind of websites. Now, when they orders, okay, when they order, item will come to your home. You can test the item, get the product delivered. Get the product delivered. So, what is the sales process? Can somebody tell me how do I get sales to my website? I design the website. I run Facebook, Instagram advertisement. Then people will come to my website. They will order from my website. Is it clear? Perfect. So now, when they order, they also get 99 rupees discount if they pay online. When you have an online payment gateway, it creates a trust in the customer, which means that these guys having a payment gateway, they're not a fraud company. Then many people orders online. Many people orders online and they get delivery. If not, they can always order cash on delivery. Clear? Perfect. So now, once that is done, when the order is placed, it automatically goes to the consumer. Okay, automatically goes to supplier, and supplier will start shipment to the customer. So now, as I can decide my own cost of the product, as I don't have any restriction because I can decide my own MRP. So now, what I will do, I can simply go and change my MRP. Okay, change my MRP from the price of 499. I can change it to whatever I want. Now I shifted to 599. Did you see that? It just takes 10 seconds of time to change MRP in your website. You have a complete control of your website, how, what price have to sell, what items has to display. So is that clear for everyone? Have you got a complete, how does exactly it works? So now Once a customer places an order, for example, I'm going to place an order. Okay, I'm going to place an order for a testing purpose. Okay, Prabhu, enter. I say Bangalore. I say Bangalore. 98 Karnataka. It is Bangalore. Now I just places an order. My order has been placed. See, I have also enabled a verification code not to get fake orders, so that I get only authentic order to my website. Okay, you can enable or you can disable it up to your wish. Okay, so now once placed the order will automatically go to my supplier, and supplier will pack the items and ship it. So before that, one more process happens. So what exactly happens is, when the order is placed, okay, I have told my supplier that give a call to consumer and confirm the order before doing a shipment. Are we clear? I also have a process where I will told my my supplier, make sure you give a call to customer before confirming the order, so that the fake orders returns can be avoided to a maximum extent. Are we clear? Are we clear? Perfect. Now next. So now I have an option to change my MRP, change my thing whenever I want. But the only process what I should follow on daily basis is just get sales to my website on daily basis. This is the only thing. I'll show how you get the ads, how to get the cost per sale and all in detail. I'll open my account. I'll show it to you. First, understand the concept. Now, as I said, low marketing budget. Let's take with the least example of marketing budget of 500 rupees per day. Okay, not too much, 500 rupees per day. Now, let's take budget is 500. Now, if I give 500 rupees to Meta to get me a sales, Meta will try the best possible ways to show the ad to multiple people across the country. It will try to get me at least 10 to 15 sales for this 500 rupees. Am I clear? Am I clear? Meta will try its best to get me 110 to 15 sales for this 500 rupees budget. So now, on an average, each sale will come at the price between 25 to 50 rupees. Approximately it brings. So we'll take in middle charge of 35 rupees per sale. So, for example, today I spent 500 rupees with 35 rupees per sale. Meta will bring me a sales of around 14 sales. So let's take the small budget of 500 rupees, which each one of us can afford. So I'm spending 500 rupees. I'm getting 14 sales. Now the two things will come into picture. Point number one, delivery percentage. Point number two, cancellation or RTO. What is RTO? I'll explain. Now, if I've got 100 orders today, 100 orders got shipped by the supplier. Out of this 100, everybody will not buy my product. There are high possibilities of cancellation because nobody paid money. They're not interested about receiving a product with so eager. So chances of getting order cancellation is very high in Indian dropshipping due to wrong address, customer not available, wrong phone number, customer refused to buy the order, customer did not have money, customer was not available, address is not traceable, whatsoever reason. There are a lot of reasons for cancellation. So now we cannot predict how much percentage. Now, though I've showed my delivery percentage is 70%, but that is very rare scenario. Let's take a practical example. We'll consider as 50% get delivered, 50% get cancelled, which means that out of 14 items, I've got 50% got delivered and 50% got cancelled. Okay, into 50% got cancelled. Are we clear? So far, so clear? I spent 500 rupees. I've got 14 sales. All 14 got shipped. 50% got cancelled. 50% got delivered. Was 50%, my profit is 450 rupees, which comes around 3,150 rupees is my cost of the profit for the 14 items. Are we clear? So even though if my 50% got delivered, I made a profit of 3,150 rupees on this product. Later, what happened? This 50% got delivered and cancelled. For the 7 items, the supplier has packed all 14. He has taken all 14 to across the country. 7 people has taken it. 7 people have cancelled it. The supplier, the shipment partner, will return these 7 items to the supplier. Are we clear? Are we clear? The 7 items which haven't got delivered has reached the supplier, but the shipper has taken the product from Bangalore, went all the way to Delhi, where customer has refused to buy the product. Supplier, the shipment has brought all the way back to Bangalore. He hand over the product to supplier. So he has did the shipment for the supplier. What is supplier cost for shipment cost? Shipment cost is 75 rupees. So he will charge 75 rupees as a shipment cost for the supplier. Are we clear? Have you guys understood this concept? Perfect. Now, for this 7 undelivered product, I have to pay 525 rupees to the supplier. Am I clear? Am I clear? I no need to pay for the product because it has come back to the supplier. Only I have to bear the cost of the shipping cost, 75 rupees. So my net profit is delivered profit minus returns, which is net profit is 2,000, gross profit is 2,600 rupees. Now, what is my expenses? What is my expenses? Expense number 1, I did advertisement for 500 rupees. Agree? Now, step number 2, I have told my supplier to give a call to the consumer before shipment. For that, how much he is charging? For a calling, he is charging 6 rupees per call into 14 calls. He has made 14 calls to the customer for confirming the order. So he will charge me 84 rupees calling charges. I'll put a WhatsApp message for customer, which is 1 rupee 50 paisa into delivered product, which is 7 product. I'll pay 10 rupees for WhatsApp calling. So my overall cost, what I spent for today for supplying these items is 600 rupees. I will reduce this in my profit. My net profit is 2030. Now, other expenses. Anyway, I have to have a website, hosted everything. I have to pay rent for the website. That is my expenses, which the rent for website is around 20 rupees per month for the first 3 months. After that, they will charge you 1,800 rupees. So let's take this as an amount, 30 days. 60 rupees is my rent. And miscellaneous expenses. Let's consider around 40 rupees. So another 100 rupees. So 2030 minus 130, net profit is 1,900 rupees I get for day if I get 50% delivered, which is again practically may not be possible. So let's take 40% delivery, 60% cancellation, still I am in profit. Let's take 30% delivery, 70% RTO, still I am in profit. So ideally, which means that even though if your delivery percentage is 30%, you will be end up in making at least 500 rupees profit with the investment of 500 rupees. Is it a good business, guys? Is this a good business? You invest morning 500 rupees, by end of the day you'll make some 500 rupees profit. So if this goes fine, invest 1000 rupees, make 1000. Invest 3000 rupees, make 3000. Don't assume that I'll put 1 lakh rupees, I get 1 lakh. That's not going to happen. Okay. So be very practical. Be very practical. So what my expectation is, if I'm spending 1000 rupees for marketing in a day, end of the day, I should be able to make, removing all expenses, at least 500 rupees, which comes around 15,000 to 30,000 rupees per month as my recurring secondary source of income. For this, I don't need 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh investment. My investment is only 500 rupees per day. Have you got the complete business model, concepts, RTO, cancellation, refund in terms of drop shipping business model is concerned? Have you got the complete clarity? Was it a super duper explanation explaining all the concept of drop shipping? All the concept of drop shipping. Now, I will leave 5 minutes for the questions, then we'll proceed further. Whatever doubts you had so far, or you have so far, I think I've explained the complete concept. So now I'm selling multiple products. See, I'm selling multiple products on my website. This one website I've designed with this concept. I have one more website, right? I have one more website in a different concept by segregating the products according to the different niche. Okay, next, I have also a website which is different way. I'm just concentrating on festival collection for a festival season. One more website, I give only the trending festival products. I can do everything in single website. I can do multiple websites. Next question. Are there any alternative ways to promote our website leaving Meta? You can promote your own community. You promote in TV channels. You do whatever you want. I just need the products come to my website. I can, every item is coming from a different supplier. Every product is coming from different supplier, because one supplier cannot keep all the thing. Okay. Now, next is, for running a meta, GST is required or not? I clearly mentioned for dropshipping entire business, GST is not required, which means GST is not required whatsoever reason is concerned. Okay, the shipping partner hired by a supplier, or can I choose? This shipping partner, it is hired by supplier. If you want a private supplier, you can have a private supplier, private shipper, up to you, because it's your own business. You have a clarity to do whatever you need it. Okay, after 3 months, the rent would be 1000. How could we manage? You are getting a profit of 1000 rupees per day. Can't you pay the rent of 2000 rupees per month? Can't you pay the rent of 2000 rupees per month? Please respond fast. right? Now, next question what I have. Can I list multiple product suppliers? Yes. How can we marketing with the help of AI? Simple, use AI, do the marketing. Use AI, do the marketing. Next is, yes, the same website you can list into multiple websites, multiple suppliers. Next is, okay, how can we trust the supplier whether he delivers the product or not? How can we find a good supplier? What is your problem, Prankit? Whether he supplies or not. Are you investing anything money? Are you investing any fund for product? Are you purchasing the product? Answer is no. Are you packing the product? Answer is no. Are you shipping the product? Answer is no. Are you supplying the product? Answer is no. It is all done by a supplier. If it doesn't supply, he will lose money. Where will I lose money? Okay, that is clear. One part. Second part, how do we trust supplier? We have a trusted supplier. I will give you a list of all the suppliers. What I'm doing, reason is I'm giving only 5 orders to supplier. For example, okay, Pratik, let me go in detail to your question. I'm having only 5 products. I give supplier. If the supplier doesn't ship 5 products, if it doesn't collect payment, if it doesn't transfer payment to me, will you give him 6th order? Will you give him 6th order? Answer is no. To get this 5 orders, what is your cost? To get this 5 orders, what is your cost? 35 rupees into 5. 170 rupees is your investment. If you can't pay 170 rupees, pay only 70 rupees. Give him 2 orders. If he doesn't supply, if he doesn't transfer 900 rupees to you as a profit, don't give him 2nd order. Logical, sir? Logical? Everybody has this question. What if supplier cheats me? If he doesn't pay me? What does that matter? I will give him only 1 order. I will give him very 1 order where my cost for 1 order is 35 rupees. I spend 35 rupees. I get 1 order from Meta. I will transfer to the supplier. If he doesn't supplies to the supplier and transfer 450 rupees be my profit, I will not give him 2nd order. So spend 35 rupees, get 1 order, get 450 profit, use this 450 for next day for 500 rupees getting order from Meta. Are we clear? But we can't do that because it takes 1 week of time to get the money, right? But it happens like this. Okay, now I'm going to answer every question. Okay, next, how to choose how many orders given to supplier, because the order directly goes to supplier. How to choose? It's nothing choose, Seema ma'am. Supplier gives me the list of products with the inventory of 500. Whatever orders comes for this item, it directly goes to supplier. He supplies to the customer. Am I clear? If the inventory becomes 0, website will show as sold out. Am I clear? Seema, have you got the answer? Please respond faster. We'll go for next question. Okay, next question. So we must have multiple websites in order to get high profit. I clearly told you can list 5,000 product in one single website. Why do you want multiple websites? Can you answer me, Sanjan Sethi sir? I clearly told you can list 5,000 product in one single website with 5,000 suppliers. Why do you want second website? Clear? So you don't need it. Okay. Now next is, next question. What I have in the Flipkart, this is available at 149. Why the customer purchase 499? Clarify, please. Answer is good question. The same product available in Flipkart for the cost of 149 rupees. Answer is right. But why will I sell for 149? Why will I sell for 149? I will not get any profit because my landing cost is 149 for this product. So I'm going, who's asked this question? Raju Babu sir, I'm going to concentrate this product on the Instagram, Facebook, where these people are not exposed to Flipkart, Amazon purchase, and they don't want to do a online shopping. For them, when I see the product, it will come in their website in the mobile that this is good. They don't know that this product is available in Amazon. They place an order instantly because it is cash on delivery. Ajay Babu sir, got the answer? Got the answer? Now, this is how the orders are getting placed. I've showed you multiple examples. The same toilet cleaning tablet, I've got orders of 1000 orders in my account. This 1103 orders came from same toilet tablet only with 80% delivery rate. Are we clear? As and when right now I'm speaking, I'm getting orders. I'll show you live orders. Don't worry, I'll open Facebook account, I'll open Instagram account, I'll open my Shopify account. I will show everything live. Have patience. Let me clear all the questions. Is any questions are clear? Okay. The product is 150 and shipping is selling is 600. Profit is 450. Is it reality? We can't have that much profit. Sir, it is not reality. I'm telling live. I'm selling at 599 rupees, 140. I'm making 450 rupees per sale. This is happening live in the industry. I'm going to show it to you. Need not worry. I'll show it to you live from my account with the billing, with the customer details, with the ad details. Will you wait, Nani sir? Let me clear all that questions. Then we'll take it up that. Nani sir, are we clear? Are you going to wait with me, right? Next 20 minutes? Nani dot, confirm me fast. Okay, how to do meta ads? I'll give you the question answer. Don't worry. So, any questions I've missed out? Any questions I've missed out? Okay, one more thing. These products, what I'm showing, will not have any brand, will not have any MRP. It's mostly imported products. So, we choose only the problem solving product. Okay, clear. Dolly Verma, how to store, how to make a store in website, how to do marketing Facebook. I will let you know everything. Please hold on. Any more questions I've missed out? Okay, couple of cautions. Do not sell a product which is more than 599 or 999. Keep the product less than 499. Why? If somebody paid 1000 rupees, if he's unhappy with the product, he will raise his voice. He will raise return. He'll complain against you. He can go to consumer forum getting a bad product if you don't give him a refund. All those things will happen. If you choose a problem solving product with the cost of 300, 400 rupees, for example, you bought this product, you went and deployed this into your toilet. It did not work as per expectation. The performance might be bad. What will you do? If the performance is bad, what will you do? Will you go to police station complaint against him? Will you go to consumer court complaint against him? Will you do it? His answer. Answer is no. Max to max, you will not order for second time, or any worst case, before going to complaint consumer forum, you call customer and say, hey, I've got this product. I am not happy. Okay. I'm not happy. I want my refund. That's the max thing will happen, right? That's the maximum will happen, right? So if a customer calls back, ask for a refund, what is your loss? What is your loss? Tell me, guys, what is your loss? Your loss is just 149 rupees. You want to refund back to the customer. That's all your risk is. So for the last 6 months, I'm doing, at least if I take a track, I'm doing for quite long. At least for last 6 month track record, if you ask me, I had refund of one refund in last 6 months. That's the only one guy called me and said, "Sir, it did not give me as expected. I want my refund." I'm returning the price. I said, "Don't return the product. You keep it with you. I'll refund your money." He paid me 599. I paid him back 599. I paid 150 to my supplier. So my loss is only 150 rupees, not 600. Remember that. I paid what customer paid. I just paid 150 to my supplier. Okay. Now the next question. If the customer comes to know that product is 149 in Flipkart, then he does not prefer my website, which causes lost customer. As part of Indian dropshipping is concerned, the customers are mostly one-time customer. Am I clear, sir? It's only one-time customer. We don't expect customer to repeat at least this model of business until you have a brand, you have a branded product, you create a brand with customer base, then do it. But this dropshippers mostly they sell on problem solving product, and most customers are one customer. Somebody asked question, what if everybody start doing this? Let me give a small example. If I have maybe 500 people selling this product, getting 20 sales in a day, so it's almost 10,000 sales in a day. For a month, it is 3 lakh sales. For a year, it is 36 lakh people will buy. How many people? 36 lakh people will buy. But Indian population is 150 crores. Now, Mr. Nani sir, are you worried about one customer coming back to you? Or you have 150 crore customers to, though 500 people dropshippers sell this product, we will be able to reach only 36,000 people, 36 lakh people in next to 1 year. For us, I just need only 5 orders in a day into 450 rupees profit. My profit is I just need 2000 rupees per day. Clear? Clear? So I didn't ask a couple of questions. I'll be answering all those things. Don't worry. Any more questions I missed out? Let me go back and check. Where can I choose trending product? I will answer that. How to make a website? I will answer that. How to find suppliers? I will answer that. Next, it's coming in upcoming slides. Okay, next question. 500 digital marketing. How many products? In 500 rupees, you can get at least 10 to 15 orders. You choose how many products you want to sell. Okay. Meta ads, I will tell you that also. Next is any more questions which have been not answered so far? What I have read, I'm going to answer all those questions. Anything else which I've missed out? So now, how big is this industry? How big is Indian dropshipping industry? It's quite big. Okay. 1 minute. How big is Indian dropshipping industry? Okay, let me share my screen. So Indian dropshipping industry is this much big. It is expected to become a e-commerce business around 200 billion, right? Approximately it is 1 billion now, potential to reach 5 billion by 2028. So you are the early bidders of knowing about this industry as of now, right? The potential is very huge because now I choose to sell 60 products on my website, and the major orders I'm getting with this product, where I'm selling a cockroach tablet, this product which is a cleaning tablet, and I'm getting one more important product which is let me show you, car care product, this one, a car care, this one, Sopami car spray. This I'm getting beautiful sales, and I'm getting this, a car portable vacuum air cleaner. This I'm getting a beautiful orders. So these are the product which is going to problem solving and paying 300, 400, 500. They take my product, they open it, they do a polish for the car. If they're happy, order for second time. If they're not happy, they will not order second time. But I just need one customer, 10 customers in a day, 300 customers in a month. That's all I needed. So the market potential is very, very, very wide. In this shop, of course, it's not my shop, as I told. It's not my shop actually. One of my students' shop, right? Because we create shops and give it to them, they start listing. See, look at here. This is one of the trending product now. It's available 599. See, the vacuum cleaner, he's selling at 999. I'm selling at 599. For the fact, both items are same. The supplier is same, product same, distributor is same. He's selling at 999. I'm selling at 599. Interesting now, because I have an option to choose my own MRP. Now, if you go and search ad for this particular product, let me see what people are selling. Portable air duster. See here, this guy is selling. What price? 599. Okay. Now, see,
whether you need it or not.
this guy is selling 699. And Shopping Mart, this guy is selling 899. Did you see, guys? Did you able to understand the beauty of this? Getting shocked? Now, are you guys knowing that how people are getting orders? Let me show you. Look at this image. Look at this image. Is it same image? Is the same image? Answer is yes. Because for me, supplier is same. I've quoted 599. This guy quoted 799. This guy is selling at for 599. Same product. This guy is selling at 699. This guy is selling at 899. The actual cost of the product is 249 rupees. Shocked? Interesting? Nobody shows this information live in e-classes. Guys, enjoying the class? I didn't ask for the feedback. Or you guys enjoying a new business model where you are going to be the boss for your own product? You go and check in Amazon. They'll be selling at 499 or 399. The actual cost is 249. Each person sells on their own price, and there is nobody going to come and ask you, why are you selling at this price? One more guy is selling. Let's see what is his price. 1,299. He went one step ahead. 1,299. Okay. And let's see this guy. Okay, he's not selling. Now, have you guys understood? I'm getting a lot of hearts, lot of red hearts. Thank you for all the hearts. So at least now we got a clarity that I can design my own website. I can place my own orders. I can keep my own MRP. I can do my own advertisement. I can sell on my own in any website. I can look at that. This guy selling at 850 rupees. Now, who is the cheaper than all the people? Who is selling at the entire cheapest price? I am the only person selling at 599. Rest people are looting money when compared to me. But still, my cost is only 240 rupees. I'm selling at 600. I'm making 350 rupees profit per product. I'm spending 50 rupees for marketing. 300 is my net price. Okay. So this is the how Indian dropshipping works. Now, can we go proceed further? Supplier, advertisements, meta ad. Can you go for these topics now? What is required to start the business? So now, have you all got the concept of dropshipping? Is it absolute crystal clear? Any doubt apart from supplier, meta ads? You have any doubt, ask me now before we could proceed further, because I'm going to show the live proof, live data to you guys now. Any doubts? If no doubt, at least please acknowledge it. I don't have doubt, everything is clear. Nobody gives this knowledge for free. Nobody tells the business model for free. They charge 10-15,000 rupees to explain the concept of dropshipping. I'm giving you entire thing. All clear? All clear? Perfect. Now, I told how to design website, how to find suppliers, how to run meta ads. Apart from these three, any other questions? Any other questions apart from these three concepts? Nothing, right? Perfect. Can I get no from everyone? No questions? No, 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 no. Abhinay says yes, please reply. What is the question, Abhinay sir? I didn't get your question. Abhinay sir, I didn't get your question. Please reply your question. Okay, I have never done this. Can I do it? Anybody can do this. Anyone can do this. I will tell you how to do it. Now let's come back. Now come to the next. Now go to the next process. So this entire business process, the creation of website, running an advertisement, creation of thing, everything can be done in a span of close to 1 to 2 weeks. Less than 2 weeks, maybe even things goes fine. Less than 7 days, you can start your online e-commerce business live in just 7 days. Roughly, you can keep 7 to 14 days. What are the process involved end to end? Let me tell you. The process is Shopify account creation, Steam store designing, domain purchase, find the product, payment gateway, shipping, legal process, apps automation, Facebook, Instagram, awareness campaign. Now, let me give you one more presentation. Now, a lot of people asking me about my company name. I didn't even tell that. Let me give you a complete clarity. Okay, let me show my screen and look at here. The Indian dropshipping mastery. Right now, I'm going to give you the entire details. So I don't want to spend too much of time again telling who we are. You guys know my mission. Vision, I already told you. We are here to help Indian dropshippers to start their Indian dropshipping business. With the information what I've given to you, if you want, you can start your entire process of online with this roadmap. The roadmap comes around right now. Find a name for your company, purchase a domain, create a store, integrate the store, design a theme, install applications, get a payment gateway, create policies, shipping and delivery setup, draft the policies, find a supplier, do a product research, do a A+ listing, and start your Facebook ads creation, add your account, add creatives, testing, testing and launching of products, RTO management. This entire process is one time process. Sit today, in next 15 days, I'm telling you very openly, in next 15 days, you'll be able to learn all those things from different places and different websites, and maybe a month of time, you can start your online business. Right now, this all takes, if I do it for you, which I call it as done for you model, which means that every process what I've explained to you in the last 1 hour of time, I will do it for you, which means that I'll get a store name for you. You purchase the domain. I'll create Shopify store for you. I'll link your domain. I'll do a Steam selection. I will design your website for you. I'll find supplier for you. I will add products in your store. I will add all the policies in your website. I will do a payment gateway integration for you. I will do a A+ listing in your website. I will find the winning product for you. I will do a Facebook ad manager setup, which includes verifying your domain, creating pixels for your domain, linking pixels with the meta for you, verifying domain in the meta, so that when a sales happens, Facebook tracks, Facebook help to get your sales end to end. This entire thing, I will do it for you, which means that you sit at your home, wait for 7 to 14 days, you will get a working online store, and I will assist you till you place your first order. It get delivers to your home the product what you order. Till that level, I'm going to do it everything for you. Next is, I'm going to give you additional bonus of 50 Shopify premium themes, where you can change website designs however you want. I will give you a one-to-one consultation with me, live one-to-one or a one-to-many webinar, which is worth of 2000 rupees, where you can come and talk to us directly, plus one-to-one consultation to work on your store, a list of winning products and the ad creatives, ad description, product images worth of 5000, one consultation for absolutely free, access to my private WhatsApp community for regular updates on Indian dropshipping, which is worth of minimum 5000, where I will give you a regular live classes to clear all your doubts on the dropshipping, to get and give a new business ideas for the next 1 year, which is costing of 10,000 rupees, and a private Telegram community where I'm going to publish the winning product month on month for the period of next 1 year. A direct dedicated relationship manager, that's the beauty of our program. I'm going to provide you the contact of a direct relationship manager who's going to handle all your suppliers. You have a 10 suppliers, you have launching 10 different products with 10 different suppliers. You cannot communicate with all the people. I'm going to give you one dedicated relationship manager where he will be coordinating on your store with the supplier for the smooth of business, and which is again a community where a people will share success stories, you'll get inspired. Again, you can inspire others as well, which has no value. Plus, if you say, I cannot do the marketing on my own, I'm not good at doing performance marketing, Facebook ad, Instagram, it's not my cup of tea, I will also assist you finding the best performant marketing team to scale up your business. This entire thing I'm going to do for you with end to end. Excited to know the value of the program? Are you guys excited to know the value of program? Yes, the cost is going to be a 51,992 rupees, and I'm going to give you at a discount of throwaway price of just 9,999. In less than 10,000, you can build your business empire. You can build your secondary source of income. You don't need lakhs and lakhs of money to start your business. It's going to cost you less than 10,000 rupees. And apart from this, you just need to buy one domain on your name, which might cost you 100 to 500 rupees, and that where your store will come into existence. You will start business of online selling with a zero product, zero inventory, zero investment on the stock, right from 7 to 14 days, where you will start getting orders to your mobile, where supplier will shipment for you every Friday, a payment cycle will be released, you will be getting profits to your account. How cool it would be. Yes, I'm telling, I will do everything for you. Not that. Listen the beauty of this. I'm going to give you a step-by-step community video. What does it mean? You're going to have access to my community where you will be given access to the course. Okay, let me log in. Just give me a minute. Okay. Okay, now please keep on dropping your questions, right? Keep on dropping your questions. I would be answering you one by one. Yes, I will take up all the queries what I promised in a few minutes. Okay. One minute. Okay, I'll just share my screen in a few minutes. I'm just getting an OTP. Okay, after that, I'll just log in. So yes, yes, all I need from you is a one email ID, and one mobile number where I would be setting up your store end to end. Okay, I've got a OTP. Okay, it's 4227. Okay, you want to get access to this community where I would be giving it access to the course where you will have all the videos what I've explained: store name generation, purchase, create Shopify store, link your domain, do a team selection, modify the team, add product, add the policies, add dropshipping product, do A plus listing, find winning, how to find winning product, the most important video, meta ads training plus Facebook ad setup. Everything I'm going to give you a recording so that any point of time, if you want to do your second store, any point of time,
Welcome everyone.
you want to
In this
have
video,
your store built, one more store for your family members, you can start designing yourself. So the model is done for you, done by you, done with you. All three models comes into one single model, less than 10,000 rupees, so that you have a luxury to start your own store in less than 7 days without anybody help. Who knows, you might tell your friends, guys, give me 3,000 rupees, I'll create a dropshipping business for you, start selling online. Just just give for three people, your business's money is recovered, you become a business owner. If you're serious about this business, come to me, I'll create a business empire for you. If you're a good speaker, if you're a good knowledge on speaking, I will make your business live up and running. So, in simple terms, in simple fact, in less than 7 days or less than 14 days, let's keep it practical, less than 2 weeks, you will have your own business empire where you will be getting in sales to your mobile and the business will start. Now that I have answered all the questions, whatever, guys, now I will take back the video to the actual live performance. I'll show you how actual live model works. So I've just opened a website. So let's not take it live performance. People say live might come. So I'm going to do you a performance for the last, maybe let's take November data. Okay, I've shared it. Okay, about supplier. What is the question about supplier? Okay. How much extra cost per month would there be after paying double line? Bring new this to field, would request your help. Sir, I clearly told that is the only cost you're going to pay, 9999. I'm going to give you full working website completely hand over to you. I will never come and ask you any penny from you. Clear, sir, Hardik? It's straight. I'm not here to do a subscription business model. Nothing. I will hand over it just like I'm coming as a consultant. I'm finding a store for you, giving an advance for the store, designing a store, and and buying the products, setting up billing systems. I'm going to my home. It's your store. You run it. Clear, sir? Now, if you find difficulties, I'm getting difficulties running a store, sir, I can't do it. Hire an employee, give the store to him. He will manage, you pay him salary, you get profit. Got it, Hardik sir? Clear, right? Now, the same similar way, you do performance marketing. If you cannot do performance marketing, hand over to a performance marketer guy. Many people are there who charging very big amount, but many are there who charging very decent amount. Now we have got a one agency who's charging 19,999. That is 20,000 rupees of marketing. But I have committed to them that I'm going to give you 100 dropshipper customers. So he's going to charge you only 4,999, which is roughly 1 day profit of your dropshipping. If you get 70% delivery rate, it is 1 day profit or maximum 2 day profit as they're going to charge. Then until you make a big profit, he will not increase his price. With the cost less than 5,000, we have a marketing people. If you're not happy with this guy, give it somebody at your friends, your family, or you learn the digital marketing skills. You run it. It's a new way to start your life in a new business. So now I'm going to share my current performance. I'll share my old performance as well. So let's take a couple of months back. Now my performance. Okay. Now look at here. So November 2nd to 8th, my ad budget is 500 rupees daily. I'm not spending more than 500. It's strictly 500 rupees. In this 500, I have got 55 sales. Okay. Let's go back and verify this. 2nd of November till 8th of November. Let me go to my store. Let me go to my orders. Okay. Let me take the range. 2nd of November to 9th of November. Apply. Same date, right? 2nd to 8th of November. Okay. 2nd to 8th of November. 2nd to 8th of November. Look at this. I've got 58 sales. 55 from the Facebook. 3 sales. It came automatically by itself. Somebody has bought it. 2 more products on my website. So I've got this order on my website. The average cost is 35 rupees per sale. Let's go to next week, 9th to 15th of November. Again, 35 rupees, 35 paisa. I've got 99 sales. Go back to my website, 9th to 15th of November. I've got 113 sales. I've got extra. So which means that I've got 13 sales, additional sales. 13 additional sales directly from my website, which means that they saw my advertisements, they came to my website, they ordered extra placement. So now, have you guys convinced? It's not 1 day. I'm showing for the entire month. My average cost is 35 rupees per product. Right? You can add any MRP, edit any product. You go have a full rights. Now, come to here, click on orders. You'll be able to see all the orders coming in my website. I've got total, let me take now 2 more weeks. Okay, 15 days of sales. Look at here. My sales is 1 lakh rupees. I did in just 15 days. Nobody will show their live website opening like this, showing an ad performance comparison with the Shopify store. Are we clear? Now have you guys convinced? It is not just telling, it is actually making the profits. So that is the beauty about this program. You'll have a complete transparency of what's happening. This entire website would be transferred to you directly so that I don't have any control on your website. So from 8th day onwards, once so is handover, you can decide whether to start with budget of 500 or budget of 5,000 or budget of 10,000. You have a complete control. Just tell a performance marketer, hey, start my website. I'm okay to pay 1,000 rupees per day. Make sure I get 10 sales in a day. If 10 sales, if you get at least 450 is your profit per item. So 4,500 is your actual profit per day. And this 4,500, you'll pay 1,000 rupees to advertisement. Pending is 3,500. In this, maybe the ad cost, the budget, the marketing cost would be 500 for agency. So net profit is 3,000 rupees. So keep 1,000 as additional expenses. Still, you can able to make 2,000. Worst case, able to make 1,000 rupees profit. Very worst case, even 500 is also fine. Spending 1,000 rupees per day, getting a profit of 500 rupees is a profitable business. Do it for 90 days. When you get 3 months consistent profit, then tell marketer, push my sales to 5,000 per day. It is his job to get you sales. This is the blueprint of the business and the community you are getting into it. If you think that still making an investment of 10,000 rupees for your business is quite expensive, you will be still stuck up with that 9 to 5 job. You will never take a risk in your life. You might step up in your life with the help of salary, but as a businessman, you will never shine. So all it takes that one smart decision at this point of time. Let me take up this program. Let me take my entrepreneurship into serious note. Let me do something apart from change when compared to my existing lifestyle. Let me take a risk of 10,000 rupees, start my own business. Right? So now forum is open for questions. Forum is open for questions. You can ask all your questions now, right? And if you still feel I need to still have a round of a discussion with us directly before getting into a drop shipping, I'm going to give you an option where you can straight away book the calendar with me directly, right? Calendar with me directly and come, let's have a discussion one to one. But believe me, I have explained everything. If you have still extra one kind of a personal discussion is required to take up my project, take up this additional business, if you think that, I'm going to give you a calendar link where you can book a direct meeting with me. Then yes sir, let's have a discussion. I'm happy to assist you in all possible ways to you guys, so that you can have a secondary source of income easily and start your dream of having a source of income. Okay, I've given you a calendar link where you can book an invite. But if you have questions, you can still ask me. I'm opening the forum for the questions till wind off this program. When can I expect notes? What notes? Can I have the recording of this session to show friends, to colleagues to join with us? Sir, it's simple. You are part of WhatsApp group, Hardik. Transfer the link of next session to family and friends. Ask them to join live once again. Get the entire concept directly. Clear? Clear? Perfect. So I see a lot of people have made already payments. So those who have did the payments, don't worry. Your payments has been received by us, and we and my team would be calling you today itself. Right? Today itself, and and onboarding you. So today's task is to get your store bought from online, from GoDaddy, your whatever domain you want to start your own business. Then from tomorrow onwards, we'll be starting working on designing your store, right? Yes, I'll also be giving you a rough ideas about how do you do the meta advertisements. It will be available in the community, right? As I explained in that community, it will be in the community. Meta ad, yes, you can explore meta ad in various places, but yes, I will give you the basic explanation of meta ad, where you can start your optimizing the meta ad in this 1 hour of in detail training. How do we do a meta ads training? Perfect. Next question. I'm going to open for question for next 10-15 minutes. Okay, then 15 minutes, you have got the link for the payment, right? Take a decision right now. After you complete the payment, book the calendar. I've shared the calendar link also. The calendar. From there, we will take it up. Maybe you can book it tomorrow itself. Not tomorrow. Yeah. Calendar is open. Book tomorrow. Be the domain ready before the calendar is getting booked. Once you have a domain, we'll come in live. We'll take a domain access. Then we'll start building up your store. In the next 7 days, you will see your business coming into life. That's a beautiful feeling. Trust me, you're gonna love this. You are creating your own brand, right? And last 10 minutes is there, so I'm going to keep this forum open, right? I'll show some examples, more examples, if you guys need it. But before, let me take up a short a minute of break. Please start dropping your questions. I would be answering one by one. Okay, so yes, you will be entering into a community. You will be having access to our community. And okay, two more payments got confirmed. I got a message from my team. Perfect. Welcome on board. Welcome on board. And last, I think 5 or 10 minutes, we are going to have a hard stop, right? Uh, Vinod Kumar, I have shared number 10 times on my screen. It is so written very clearly here 10 times. You keep on asking number, 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 number. Harish Kumar sir, number has been displayed many number of times. I don't know why people ask again number, number, number. Okay. Now, yes, if you want to list your own product, option is available. You can also do a private shipment, options available. Choose a private supplier, option is available. Choose a private I mean to say supplier plus shipper, options available. Sell your own product plus do a shipment, options available. Pick up drop shipper and they sell it, options available. We're going to give you the avenues for everything, right? Everything. Okay. Now, it's okay to visit your office personally for discussion. What is the question? Please let me know, sir. Shakil, sir, you just book a slot. We will discuss. Okay, we will discuss and we will definitely have a talk in person if required. Why do you want to come all the way to walk here? I'm telling we can able to clarify everything online. If you still you want to come, definitely. Next is, yes, you would be given a Vinod sir, you would be given a, as I told, I would be giving you the directly a relationship manager number where you can directly talk to the ship manager and they will talk all the suppliers. Just pass on your query to the manager and they will help you to solve your query. See, the entire business model is a passive income and a secondary source of income where you don't need to spend time. You're going to deploy everything to a outsourced people. You're going to deploy your entire business building to me. Once it is done, you're going to deploy the entire work of handling things to the relationship manager. Deployed. The third part is running ads. If you have a time, run the ads. If you don't have a time, outsource the ad creation. Simple. If you have more time, learn digital marketing, right? You become an expert in digital marketing. Start running ads for your store. And if you become an expert in digital marketing, you tell me, sir, I have learned digital marketing. Guys, tell me, it's very important. Let me tell you right now. If you learn digital marketing, I will give my customer accounts to you. I will give my friends accounts to you. You charge 5,000. Handle 10 accounts. Your revenue is 50,000 rupees. Interesting? Learn digital marketing. It will cost you 40, 50,000 rupees for entire program. Many are there teaching outside. Learn a good institute. Learn digital marketing only for drop shippers. It will not cost you much. Come to my forum. Say that, sir, I will handle digital marketing for your clients. I will give my next 10 clients to you. I will give my next 10 clients to you. You handle digital marketing. You can start a secondary source of income. I will give you business. Come inside community. You have multiple ways to make business. And we are here as a business partners to make you success, right? That's a very big statement what I've given, right? Take a decision right now. It's less than just 10,000 rupees. Click on the link, make an enrollment, and and welcome on board. I'm a designer. Perfect, good. I'm trying digital marketing also. Simple, Vinod Kumar sir. Learn digital marketing. Do for your account. Come and show me. I am able to get a sales of 50 rupees per sale, 35 rupees per sale, or even 100 rupees per sale. I have a customers who will take your services. And before that, I'll tell you one thing why you should learn. Come inside community. I'm going to give the work to my digital marketing team. See how they are doing. Learn from them. Spend 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Learn the digital marketing guy itself. Learn digital marketing from a digital marketing guy itself. And tell me, sir, I want 10 customers. I'll give you 10 customers. You do digital marketing from them. 50,000 is your monthly salary. This is the power of community. It is not you're coming to for a course, you are paying as an entrance fees to the community. Everything business will come into picture once you are inside my community. Mr. Mathu Surya, come inside my community, take a store, show the sales in the store, approach me directly. I won't take up the sales for your students. I will give it to you, provided if you prove it, because I can't take a risk with my students until you prove yourself, and you have to do it my accounts. I can take a risk. I will give you my accounts to you. Prove it for a month with the sales of 50 rupees per product with a proper delivery percentage. I will give you the store to you. Beat 100, beat 50. Guys, I have a big community. I can even give you 20 stores. The current digital marketing guy, I've given him 35 stores. 35 stores. He's making like 1.8 lakhs of revenue per month. 1.8 lakh of revenue per month. 30 years experience in e-com. What are you waiting for, Mr. Pankit? Get inside my community. Prove your performance. Show me one store yours. Do it one store mine. I will give you 25 accounts. 25 accounts. How much? 1.25 lakh of revenue. What else you need? 20 accounts. Monthly lakh rupees as a revenue. Monthly lakh as a profit. And it is not 5,000. I'm telling you, ideally, the cost of digital marketing would be 20,000, because what I've entered in the market, people are doing a good job with 19,999 as a fees for digital marketing. But until my students makes profit, you cannot charge this price. That is why to onboard the community, we are charging only 4,999. Start with this. Make 1 month, 2 month. Make sales, right? Make sales for the customers. Make them make a profit of 30,000, 40,000. Make them earn 50,000. Then we will increase the price to 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. So everything will come into discussion only when you are part of my community, right? Part of my community. Now step in. The cost is less than 10,000 rupees. Get into the community. I will design your store for you end to end. Show the performance in that store and tell that I will do it for you, sir. Do it for one store mine for a month. Show the performance. Then yes, I will start giving my customer 20 accounts to you with the monthly revenue of 1 lakh rupees. Vinod sir, I told 4 times. Pay 9,999 and get inside my community. I've told multiple times. There's no other option. I'm already part of students of dropshipping of yours. When will be the dedicated manager be allocated? I have already posted the group how to get your dedicated manager in the WhatsApp group. So I have already given the number. Go to the WhatsApp group. If you have joined recently, I will post it once again today after everybody comes inside, where you can call your manager and get your store up and running. We'll want to have a live class maybe by this week. We'll have live class with all the people and start take it up. So I think last 10 minutes of time, maybe 11 minutes of time is left for us. Okay, 11 minutes for us. Let's take it up, the pending final questions. Then we can wind off right at 120 minutes. Welcome on board for those who have enrolled it. You take a right decision, and that is where you are going to change your future, right? Going to change your future with some easy note, right? Some easy note. It's going to be a quick turnaround in your business. Welcome all the people, Krishna sir, Sanjana, S. Kumar, right? And we have Shahid Salman sir, welcome on board. Naveen Kumar, welcome on board. And I'm not a part of any WhatsApp group. Not possible, sir. Again, answer is simple. Call this number. Get your doubts clarified. Am I clear? Am I clear? We're given a direct contact number. Call this number. Get your doubts cleared. Get your number of manager. Get your link to be part of WhatsApp group. I hope you're part of the community, right? You're part of let's see how with the communities. It was 90 somewhere last week. Okay, last 2 days back, 112 people are there. So these 112 people, see, sir, you are there. You are there, right? So get inside community and start your shopping with us. That's a clarity which I've given to you guys. And let's start the beautiful drop shipping starting from in next 24 hours. Thank you. That's all I had for the day with all of you guys today. See you in the next upcoming classes of live for the people who joined us. The people who are thinking, still thinking, I wish you a best of luck. Today or tomorrow, take a decision. I have given the complete concept. Take a decision to be part of a community. Think over the entire day. Call to this number, whatever you have given. And from there on, you can directly reach us and enroll yourself for the program. That's all I had for today as part of dropshipping. See you in the next upcoming classes. Thank you. Have a lovely day ahead.